Hi everybody, we're here with Neil Sachdev, our commercial director, and we're today talking about bee hotels. Now Neil, why would Sainsbury's be installing bee hotels in its stores?
You'd install bee hotels because the whole of the Sainsbury's business is built on selling fresh food, and the British bee population is dying away. And we think it's our responsibility as part of our Respect for Environment agenda to start doing something around those issues. And guess what? We happen to have lots and lots of stores around lots of natural areas where bees would thrive. So we thought this is a great opportunity to do something that was new, something innovative, trying something new, as we call it at Sainsbury's. We thought we'd have a go at this.
So it sounds like it's one of the first times that this is being done. Is that true?
I think we're probably the world's first to have a go at something like this. So what our plan is to pick out about 38 stores around London, where we know there's a lot of foliage, where we know these pollinating bees will thrive. It's part of our continuous program of doing a little bit to help all the time in the whole of the sustainability biodiversity agenda. You know, we're committed to having British food arrive into the supermarkets for our customers, and what this is going to allow us to do is to keep building on that and continue making sure the bee population thrives in the UK.
Interesting point at the end there. So why is it so important to help out the bee population in the UK? Why are they so important for food, for example?
Well, we all talk about global warming and how devastating that's going to be to our Earth. You know, as part of the whole sustainability agenda, if the bee population disappears or reduces by a significant amount, we will just run out of food. There are about 110 crops that depend on bees pollinating it in order for us to be able to eat well. So what we're trying to do is just to reintroduce some of those varieties of bees that have disappeared over a period of time and put them back into our country, and making sure that they can now start pollinating food and just keep that population alive.
Interesting. And what other environmental initiatives are you planning around stores or in stores?
Well, we're doing an awful lot. So just on the bees, Dursley is one of our recent stores that we've opened, where we've got a biomass boiler there, where we produce our own heat through burning wood chip. So again, relying less on the grid to be able to do that. We built a store in Dartmouth that was built out of timber, and the idea of that was just to reduce the amount of steel, because steel is a big carbon producer. So we're doing quite a bit around just reducing the amount of energy consumption, and our target is to reduce our energy consumption by 25% by 2012. So those are the sorts of things we're starting to do.
Really interesting. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.
Okay.